Espinosa. I am the CEO of MND Medical and Wellness Spa. Naanagyod ta karon sa grand opening sa Buhangin branch. I want to congratulate Ma'am JM for a successful grand opening sa Buhangin na branch, and I want to invite everyone, mga taga Buhangin, ang inyong gihulat ni abot na jud. Dugay na kayo ninyo ginahulat na branch na duol sa inyo. Open na sa unahan lang sa East West Bank. Tapos before mo abot sa kay Attorney Bato na office, and they're open from 10 in the morning until 7 p.m. And I want to let everyone know na naka 50% off me and tanan ng mga services na ina-offer sa MND na main branch na ako diri, and I will be also coming here for special procedures, and just book in advance. And congratulations to everyone, and mga taga Buhangin, dali na mo, naghulat na sa inyo ha ang Buhangin branch. Thank you.
Congratulations, MND Medical and Wellness Spa. Buhangin branch, we are now open to serve you. Spa for the heart.